My name is Saman Movasagi Gonzalez, and I'm an immigration and nationality law professor, and I'm going to explain exactly how one person, one federal judge, had the authority to block a government program called Keeping Families Together, Parole in Place. Immigration law is incredibly political, and the landscape right now is that the Democrats do not have control over the House and Senate. Therefore, no comprehensive immigration reform bill was able to pass. There were no congressional mandated immigration laws to come out of this Biden administration. So they went ahead and created a policy allowing those that have been in the United States for at least 10 years, entered without inspection, admission, or parole, and married to a United States citizen as of June 17, 2024, to instead of going through the 601A process where they have to leave the United States for a few weeks and then come back, to obtain the parole in the United States, which would allow them to then adjust and get their green card. The Republicans knew this was coming, so they strategized themselves. They picked the most conservative district in the state of Texas, the Eastern District, and they selected really the most conservative judge, Campbell Parker. This individual was actually working for the state of Texas and prepared appellate briefs in support of the state of Texas to defeat the programs of DACA, Deferred Action Childhood Arrival, and DAPA, Deferred Action for Parents of Americans, which that program never actually went into fruition because this judge, Campbell Parker, was part of the team that got it knocked down. Then he got appointed by former President Donald J. Trump to be a federal judge. So this was all very strategic by the state of Texas, by the Republicans. They knew exactly what they were doing. They knew exactly what jurisdiction they were going to file this lawsuit and who was going to be the judge of this case, so that ultimately the judge would rule that the defendants, the Department of Homeland Security, did not have proper legal standing to go through with this parole program and really circumvent the process that is already in place for those that enter the United States without inspection, admission, or parole to obtain their lawful permanent resident status. And here we are with a program that has now been terminated.